In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Heartopia not working or crashing problems. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix. Now, the first fix is to open up the game, and before you try and log in, we want to go ahead and click on repairs on the top right hand corner. Then from here, it's going to say attempt to clean up and update or update files to fix version mismatch issues. After the cleanup, the game needs to be restarted and update files will be re-downloaded. So go ahead and click confirm and let that run through its course. Now the next fix is going to be clearing the app cache. So click and hold down on the application, click onto I, scroll down, click on the storage and clear the app cache. Now we need to also head over to our Play Store, search for Heartopia, and if there's any updates, go ahead and update the game. Now if we've got any VPNs running in the background or ad blockers, VPNs and blockers can break the game service, so we want to go ahead and just disable or turn them off for now and then try launching up Heartopia again.